What time is it, Drake? Or, is it what day?
7 o'clock.
I know it's been a late one. My feet feel like it. Junk old Chevrolets. I mean, real nice Chevrolets over here.
Well, it is a real nice Chevrolet, and it will be now.
That's right. Well, it is Wednesday.
Brand new.
What y'all got done this week?
Well, brand new transmission in that one. I'm waiting for fluid to fill it up. We painted the fender on that one this week, the front bumper cap. So hopefully tomorrow it'll be ready to go together.
That's one come from Copart. Be for sale. For sale. Look at them wheels and tires. Somebody needs that thing. Got a lift on it. Was that about 3-inch lift? I'm not sure either. But front end fixed, new transmission, or rebuilt transmission. Drake's got some doors over here he's working on.
48 Jeepster doors.
48 Jeepster.
And rebuilt the bottom half of them. I'm welding the lower skin on now. And we had to, well, everywhere it says greenish, brown looking color, we built.
New metal in it. Out of a, we ain't gonna tell you what kind of hood. Anyway, been working on the doors, done got the first one.
It's ground down.
It's ready for filler work, ain't it?
Well, I'm gonna put epoxy primer on it first and then do my filler work.
Anyway, got them doors going. Got a little Chevrolet over here with a little hatch needs repaired. Got the, I guess we better show them the front end on the 48 here.
Yeah,
Right. Bolt this thing together. Right there's the hood. Here's the front end. This thing's ready to go back together. Like that chrome grill. That's gonna be a good looking truck. Got everything primed on the F100 there.
Well, I didn't think I'd spend 3 days on these doors, but I have. And I was hoping to get them welded together and dry, and then I was going to start doing the mud work on the cowl panel, because the cowl on that Ford's the only thing ain't bondoed yet.
Got the Nissan down on all fours, about ready to pull off a frame machine.
Yeah, I don't know why he stopped.
Yeah, no telling. Flat tires probably.
Yes.
Got the bumpers on that Tahoe. Got a Chevrolet over there, needs some front end work. Alan's had the Bolero in here buffing on her. Got some pieces for
It's Ricky's boat.
a boat. Got to do a little paint work on them.
Yeah.
Boat.
They're static.
Like I said, Alan been in here buffing on the Bolero. Got something in here in the paint booth.
Yeah, F-150, paint was spilling on the roof. And the F-250 tailgate, that their chain smacked.
Oh, changed my painted the roof on the F-150 and painted the tailgate for an F-250, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's a good thing about doing something like that when you got both of them white.
And they're both brothers.
And they're both brothers, they're both white.
You know, I can't remember names, but I remember the F-250 guy named Tarzan.
Anyway, that's about what we got going on here. And
Everything run into a Tarzan.
Alan's gonna get some flood. Hopefully he'll be back in just a minute. We can fire so Chevrolet up. Anyway, everybody check us out. 256 Garage out.